That's all. They did their time. They did their time. Those scars on the brushes are just a badge of honor, okay? Okay? So starting from left to right, the first brush is my Sony Cashew brush in the number 130. The second brush is my number 7 stippling brush. The third one is my Coastal Scents Foundation Buffer brush. The fourth one is my Coastal Scents Foundation Buffer brush as well. This one's just a little bit more denser, and that number is BR110. The fifth one is my Morphe E48 brush. That one is a small contouring brush. Is my Coastal Scents Angled Eyebrow brush or concealer brush. The seventh one is my Coastal Scents Tiny Shader brush. And the seventh one is my Sony Cashew eyeshadow blending brush. So I'm just going to pick a brush. First, I'm going to take the wooden end of my brush, the handle, and I'm going to take a damp paper towel and just press it like so. Next, I am going to be taking the Gorilla Glue and placing it around. This is going to be fun. As you can see, I'm placing it around the entire handle in circular motions, just to be sure that it is actually on the entire handle. Well, not the entire handle, but the part that the brush needs to be adhered to. Y'all, this glue is so thick that it feels like I'm freaking lifting weights. Like, I'm using so much energy just to get this glue out, but it's amazing, so let me stop complaining. Next, I am going to take the handle of the brush and just slip it on like so. And lovies, if you are bothered by the bulging glue, you can just easily get a paper towel and just wipe it around it. And this is what I like to do, because like I said, the dampness will cure it faster. And now it doesn't look as messy. However, you want to make sure that you lay it down on a surface that you don't mind it if it were to stick to, because yeah, it's Gorilla Glue, so a bitch is gonna stick. So I'm gonna finish the rest of brushes and then I will be back. Okay, y'all, so they are all completely dried, and as I told you, you have to be careful because if you don't have like a flat surface that you don't mind damaging, it will get stuck to it. And I just put mine on paper towel, which is fine. So all I'm going to do is go around it and try my best to peel it off. So this one seems like it's not gonna come off, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. I'm fine with the way it looks. If you are someone who wouldn't like this, yeah, I don't know what to tell you. Maybe you would have to just find another way of repairing your brushes, a more neater way, but yeah, I'm totally fine with it as long as my brushes are sturdy and it's ready to get rocky. Look at this brush. So beautiful. Oh my god. Anyhow, so I'm just gonna keep on going around until everything is finished. He ain't going anywhere. Baby ain't going anywhere. What's going? Nada. Where you going? Where you going? Nowhere. Where you going? Where you going? And now that I know my brushes are totally fine, they're back to normal, a little worn out, you know, a little seasoned, but that's fine. That just says that they've been in this game for a long time. That's all. They did their time. They did their time. Those scars on the brushes are just a badge of honor, okay? Okay? Well, that's it, lovies. Thank you for tuning into this video. I hope you learned something. And if you did, don't forget to rate, comment, like, and subscribe. And share this video, please. Thank you. And also turn on your notification bell so you can be notified when I upload videos. And until next time, always remember to live, love you.